Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Canto for organizing brand assets at scale step by step clearly. Visit the Canto website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. Fill out the required information in the registration form. Provide your name, email address, and company details. Create a secure password for your account. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. Open your email inbox to find a verification email from Canto. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Canto website and log in using your new credentials. Explore the available subscription plans. Select the plan that best fits your organization's needs. Enter your payment details in the secure checkout form. Review your order summary to ensure accuracy. Click Complete Purchase to finalize your subscription. Once confirmed, log in to your Canto account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Begin uploading and organizing your brand assets. Utilize the various features Canto offers for efficient asset management. Enjoy seamless organization and accessibility of your brand materials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.